All right, let's take a closer look at Dr. N.G.P. Institute of Technology in Coimbatore. Their TNEA code is 2736. If you're shortlisting colleges, this is one you'll want to understand properly, so let's dive right in.
Okay, right off the bat, there are two huge quality signals you need to know about. First, this is an autonomous institution. That's a big deal because it means they can update their syllabus quickly to keep up with what the industry actually wants. Second, 6 of their main engineering branches are NBA-accredited, which is basically a stamp of approval that guarantees a high standard of education. So to get the basics down, Dr. N.G.P. is a self-financing, autonomous college that started back in 2007. It's affiliated with Anna University, Chennai. And for admissions, it follows the TNEA process, so you're looking at the standard 65% government quota and 35% management quota seats.
Now, knowing what a college is one thing, but understanding why it exists and where it comes from, well, that tells you a lot more about its character and its values.
The college was founded in 2007 by the Dr. N.G.P. Research and Educational Trust. Now, this trust is part of the well-known KMCH group. That's the Kovai Medical Center and Hospital. This connection to a major healthcare group is a pretty unique part of its DNA. A really significant milestone was in 2022 when they were granted autonomous status for a full decade. That's a huge vote of confidence in their academic maturity.
And this is what drives them. Their goal isn't just to churn out engineers who can code or build things. They're focused on creating graduates who can actually thrive in a world that's constantly changing, both as professionals and as good citizens.
All right, let's get into the heart of it, the academics. For any student or parent, this is probably the most important part. What can you study, and how good are the programs?
We mentioned this before, but it's worth highlighting again, that NBA accreditation is your assurance of quality. It means these 6 key departments, biomedical, CSE, ECE, EEE, IT, and mechanical, have been thoroughly checked and meet very strict national standards. And this approval is valid all the way until June 2028.
So, what are your options here? In total, they offer 10 different BE programs. You've got all the traditional core branches, but you can also see they're looking to the future with newer specializations like AI and data science, computer science and business systems, and even a dedicated stream for cybersecurity. That's a good sign they're keeping up with industry trends.
And all of that adds up to a total sanctioned intake of 870 undergraduate seats for the next academic year.
Now, for the question that's on every parent's mind, what about jobs? What kind of career can you expect after 4 years here? Let's break down their placement numbers.
According to the official data they submitted for TNEA, the college reports a placement rate of 91%. For any family looking at colleges, seeing a number consistently above 90% is a very, very strong and positive signal.
And the salaries? The average package stands at a very respectable 5.2 lakhs per annum. This figure gives you a practical and realistic idea of the kind of return you can expect on your investment in education here. But what about the high achievers? The potential is clearly there. The highest package offered went above 20 lakhs per annum. This proves that top-tier companies are definitely recruiting from this campus and offering premium salaries.
So how do they achieve these strong results? It's because they have a wide base of companies coming to hire. More than 150 companies visit the campus for recruitment every year, which means students get a really diverse set of job opportunities to choose from. Okay, so the academics are solid and the placements are strong, but what's it actually like to be a student there? Let's talk about the day-to-day life on campus.
For students who aren't local, this is crucial. The college has separate and well-maintained hostels for both boys and girls. And here's a detail that matters. The mess in both hostels serves both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food, so they cater to everyone's needs.
Getting to campus is also taken care of. They run their own fleet of buses that cover Coimbatore City and the areas around it. And if you're traveling from out of town by train, the main Coimbatore Junction is just about 10 to 12 kilometers away.
What about financial aid? Well, there are a few options. There's the Nadu government's first graduate scholarship, of course. The college also has its own N.G.P merit scholarship for students who've scored really well in their 12th standard. And on top of that, they provide assistance for students who come from economically weaker backgrounds.
A college's true strength goes beyond just the classroom. It's also about its contribution to research, the official recognitions it earns, and of course, the success of its former students.
You can tell they're serious about research here. They have projects funded by major national bodies like CSIR and DST.
And the fact that 6 of their departments are recognized as official research centers by ANA University, that's a huge academic plus. They also have strong industry partnerships with companies like TVS, which translates into real-world training and internship opportunities for students. So let's just quickly recap the 3 most important quality markers. 1. It's an autonomous institution. 2. 6 of its core engineering programs have that crucial NBA seal of approval. And 3. It's home to 6 university-recognized research centers. These are really the pillars of its academic strength.
And where can a degree from here take you? Well, the proof is in the alumni. You can see graduates working in important roles at huge tech companies like Amazon and Tech Mahindra, and also in specialized core engineering firms. This is the professional network that you get to become a part of.
Just so you know, all the information we've discussed has been sourced directly from the college's official website and verified government portals at the time we prepared this explainer.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.